There are millions of conversations happening on social media every day. In Hootsuite, search streams can be created to find the ones most relevant to your business objectives. Search streams let you find social activity around specific keywords, users, or locations. They're useful for ongoing monitoring of your competitors, activity at your business locations, and conversations around hashtags or events. Different networks can be searched in different ways. You can set up searches on Twitter using relevant keywords or branded hashtags. Instagram can be searched by hashtag or location. And you can search YouTube by keywords contained in a video's title, description, or tags. To add a search stream, pick a tab, click the green plus sign, and select the search widget. Next, enter your search terms. For example, if you're monitoring Instagram, try using a hashtag relevant to your business or current campaigns. When monitoring hashtags, make sure to pay attention to the suggested versions below, as you may want to listen for other variations as well. You could also create a Twitter search stream to listen for positive mentions using search terms that include your brand name and the keywords "love it." When adding search terms, do not use commas to separate terms. Instead, use spaces, which provide results that include all terms. To pull results that contain either term, type "or." If you're looking for a specific phrase, use quotation marks. Another tip when selecting your search terms is to spend time thinking about how people mention your brand day to day, such as popular abbreviations, as well as any common misspellings. Once you've selected your terms, click Search and enjoy the results. You can also search within your already created streams by clicking the magnifying glass and entering the relevant keywords.